character assassination campaign. That is what this whole thing is about.
Yes,
the man tell us straight. The man say, yo, we don't want to talk about no debt to GDP. We don't want to talk about no NIR. We don't want to talk about no crime rate.
Nothing.
The man them want to run a propaganda machine pan the body they come talk about 3 trillion. It was not a coincidence, Virgin. It was not a coincidence when the Gleaner published that on the front page and about money unaccounted for, Virgin. It was not a coincidence. That argument was said in Washington, D.C. when we were there counter-protesting Rattigan them.
Yes.
That argument was said there. I posted it on my Twitter. It's not first time, it's a talking point. That's the only way Mark Gold and them plan to win this election. Character assassination.
Yeah, man.
Attack Andrew Holness credibility.
Yeah. Yeah, but look on this, Vegas. Remember, say if you check out back from then with the PNP, that's what they do, Remember this, Michael Mann, the campaign pan Siaga, and Percival come back on campaign pan Siaga, and Portia Simpson come campaign pan Bruce, and then come campaign pan Andrew and call him Baby Bruce. Up till now, nobody now talk about what they're planning to do for the people, And the Prime Minister, they always attacking.
Thank you. Mark Golden and his posse, they know that if them talk about policy and what's happening in the country, they cannot, they will be losing this election in a major landslide.
Good.
They cannot address. You see the man come. When them test, them test the water. Them see crime rate drop, them push out their head. Oh, crime rate drop too fast, it's questionable. The police, then when I say the Jamaican people must stand up with the police, them in the history of our country, as far as I can remember, people, I've never seen so many Jamaican people standing with the police.
That's true. I see you something like that, man.
The police. Can have no experience. Him say never even arrest a man in his life. He there on my Twitter page, go look here.
Yeah.
Rattigan said this man was gonna fail. Because remember Rattigan, them said they don't want to be commissioner of police,
Oh.
And that's why them gang up with Mark Golden,
Oh, all right.
Remember, so them said Rattigan applied to be commissioner of police and was rejected, Remember, so the man named Francis, where did that go around the world as propaganda upon the Prime Minister. And remember, say him did want to advise the government.
Government, yes.
These are all vindictive, bitter people. And it's one way them can go at this thing is attack Andrew Holness' character. Them not have nothing. These things must be put in loudspeaker and drive around and play for Jamaican people. This is a PNP strategy to try win the job. Them don't want to talk about heart program. Them don't want to talk about none of them subjects.
No.
They don't want to talk about how the path program will help people. They don't want to talk about these things.
Yes.
They don't want to talk about no road a fix. If somebody send them a picture with a pothole down the back of St. Mary, them a hit them want to talk about. Them don't want to talk about water is in St. Mary. What them do, them change the narrative and say Andrew wants to go do a photo up and put pipe.
Yeah,
see?
Yeah, man.
They cannot. The plan is, and them literally the whole opposition is to oppose. Them literally take it to a next level, not just to oppose the policies that Andrew Holness put forward, but to attack him credibility. That means if you say Andrew Holness is a good leader, no, the counteraction is he is not a good leader. Every aspect of the life of the society and of Andrew Holness is an also of around him life. That is a strategy of the People's National Party. So what this leads to? Now that we know this, because we hear you, Richards, him say to but them never yet going into so much detail to really get exactly what them are dealing. Why would you host them? They are the nonsense man in the PNP. What can you learn from Diego? What you can learn from Diego? All him go do is run for the next PNP and say, yo, me just over Labour right them, me deal with them wicked, you see. Yo,
Yeah,
the
man.
way me a
That's
beat
it.
them, father, kick them off and kick me out of the box.
That's it.
That is it. Remember saying, no, Bridging, the doctor and the gardener vote as the same value if they're in the same constituency, Bridging.
That's yeah, man. Yeah, man. Whether you're a nurse or you're a doctor,
The man who can't read
yes,
and gullible, vote is just as valuable as a teacher.
right.
When the man who can't read, hear them man up on your platform, and them little thing the way the man say, man, them unalive innocent people, and what think the man are gonna do?
That's true,
Boom,
yeah.
and start follow them.
That's true, yeah, because remember this. One is the right word. When your mind are not developed, are not exposed to certain things, you will think anything that opposes to you in front of your face. That means that anything will come up in front of your face, you will take on to it without have even checking the facts.
Remember, say lies travel faster than truth, you know. The truth,
All
still,
right.
the
All
truth
right.
still gets there, you know.
Yeah, man, but lie travel
The
faster.
truth will get there, but you were
Yes.
going, but the lie travel faster.
Travel faster, yeah, man.
I went by time,
Miss-
sometime by the time the truth reached, damage already done.
Yeah, great damage too.
Great damage too.
Mm-hmm.
Good morning. Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon, my brother.
Mr. Vegas, you read you read the IMF report yesterday.
Yeah, man, when them give Jamaica a positive upgrade.
Oh,
That right there, someone knows that Mark Golden is no good for Jamaica. Cause the man go say no growth, not all now going to Jamaica.
Because the key word is oppose.
he's
Oppose.
opposed. I feel it's opposed. I feel poison the mind of the people.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir. That is it, brother. Brother, you know, see, brother, when you see the man them get to, you think a joke thing the man them depend general people. No, you know, see,
Tell them, you know.
the man them go after Andrew Holness just to attend Usain Bolt's father's funeral. You know what more than that, Bridging? We have Bridging. You know, on a care who was parasites be. The man them are parasites. This is not a normal time when this is not back in the days when Portia and Andrew them go at it and them something for become prime minister. It's not the days when Siaga and this then that done. The PNP as an oiled propaganda machine.
Yeah, man. And I'm gonna tell people this, Mr. Vegas, that election, you know, I don't want simple election, you know. This election is a very important election, you know. Because there is certain things if the PNP get in power, what they're gonna do and change back around.
Good. When a man go tell us, say, him did I tell people say a $3,000 what a goods in a basket back in a PNP time. That means
Right.
minimum wage could afford more things. And
Right.
him think I did that and a man correct him and the man should correct him. You know what more than that, people? You know what more than that, man?
Yeah, man.
So big up on the same, just want to share that with them. So when you see the parasite, then just know say them a look a host.
And thank you very much for the information. Yeah, good youth, you know.
Mr. Vegas.
Yeah.
Yeah, good youth.
Mr. Vegas.
Yeah, fam.
So, Mr. Vegas, before you run, yeah?
Oh, by the way, 6
Oh.
o'clock tonight, me over Squitty with one O'Keefe Sanders, say I want teacher.
Yeah, man, me that listen one night, so I say me I go join tonight, because
Yeah,
me
man.
that talk
Let's
to
go,
somebody
sir.
about it, though.
Yeah, man, cool.
So, Mr. Vegas, you see earlier on when you see me I get mad and I go on with it, you understand where me coming from then?
100%. 100%.
All right.
That's what me say. Me not no respect for them boy, brother. When them boy they try style me style them but the wicked is weird, because me know so them a parasite, brother.
Yeah, and me no want once and one check say, well, I'm me dark and ignorant and what, but me just
No,
say,
man, brother,
you cannot look.
brother, when you roach in your house, when I roach, you find a roach in your house, or you deal with it.
Not kill him, man. Not kill him.
Analyze it.
Alive him. Yeah.
Brother, why
Yeah.
you deal with wicked? You know why you deal with wicked?
Yeah.
Because it's creepy and it's nasty, and you know, so it go infest your house, bro.
That's why me I tell you the virgin look while say, listen, you can't keep them man if you finish a conversation with them kind of
Brother,
words.
me no respect for them, bro. Me no parasite. Me not deal with parasite nice and good and but take high road and them something. Me no deal with parasite. Me no see a roach in my house and take the high road, brother.
Brother, that's why I tell you, say, well, the me get dark and the man I say, boy, I can't deal with it away. I say, oh, you expect me to deal with it if me hear the man that come and spread all these words, things and I said all these things about the Prime Minister. Me can't just sit down and make him finish. Regardless, I say, brother, me can't no, me not gonna work that way. You get me?
You have to stop them right there so you're not in track.
Run them.
Then
Crush
run
them right
them.
away. Why would
Then
you?
that's why
Let me ask now a last question. If you want to see a roach now in the house, what are going to wait until it lay?
Can't make it weird. You can't make it leg. You can't make it leg in the house.
Thank you, man. So when
listen
Diego
what the man
come here this morning, I come telling you 1 million things and people, Mr. Run, Diego.
yeah.
Diego never see labor up on platform and then at the box I beg to come in and can't come in, Bridget. And if you disrespect the man in the box and the box you get black out too.
Because the man them on a mission. The man them on a mission.
Brother, the man
on a mission.
Vagabond. The man who treat the man them like vagabonds, Bridget. When you voice and them people, they want to run them, bro. Vagabonds, them, bro.
The man them on a mission, brother. I mean, no say that's what they, that's their aim. That's their aim. Cause they don't have nothing more, brother. They don't have nothing. He himself tell you. You understand me? They don't have nothing to run off, so they have to just go disturb. You understand me? The man tell you, brother. So the end of the day, when me I tell the man and say, yo, you can't let the man finish in conversation when you like. I'm talk about labor right give him gun. You mean a PNP era and labor right can't come in a PNP era and give him gun.
You're
I said,
You know say a lie, I tell man.
You're right. Remember, all right, the one named Dino. When Andrew wants them go down a St. Mary, go with the people in water. Let me tell the man, say, yo, tomorrow the people them are get an opportunity to sign up to get water. How can you sign up to get water if it's just a water truck went into the area because of props? Somebody back down now. Ready, mute. Yeah. Mr. Tineman, Mr. Timan said, how could it be just a photo up with the Prime Minister make a truck come in and trick the people if the people got the information to go sign up the Water Commission? And the man tell me say, I trick Andrews, I trick the people I mean, I show them the evidence. Them not interested in the evidence. And even when the next day the Water Commission went, because my niece work at Water Commission and she actually was there with them on the ground when the people must sign up and they see the people must sign up for water. And the man must say, no line no running at the community. The PNP agenda is to tear down every single thing where Andrew Holness doing in this country. Enough time we get carried away back and forth with them, and we know that it me like do it too. Like have a conversation. But you know, some of the time we get caught up with them, and every man want, let me ask you something. That's one thing with Caution, so I agree with, you know. Caution says something when I agree with. Labor right have that something there too. When I have somebody on the platform and him chat nonsense, and when somebody I said to him, say, give me the information, give me the evidence. Somebody just jump in and say, well, let me ask you a question and you will go on now. We're not get to kick him off because he escaped to answer that question. So that is something where we have to pay attention to, and we have to keep pushing the things that Andrew Holness do, because you know the man say, another thing when we agree with, a labor right to talk about what Andrew Holness doing. That are our missions to people. We have to make certain that we get up every day and we point out the things that this government doing. We can't host dirty Diego them with them lies, them brethren. And the man come tell us say, labor right give machine brethren. The man is a criminal. We are with the legal machine and come and chat to law-abiding citizens upon live. I could want dog you. You're a criminal if you have a illegal machine, brother.
Wicked man, wicked, brother. Wicked and wicked. Wicked and wicked.
You're saying something good, you're saying, you're a criminal. We are doing the legal machine. I could have a man from down Mexico, I don't Baghdad, I don't Haiti give you. We are doing the legal machine. You're a criminal.
I come from live a chat.
Because no man can't give me, no PNP, no JLP can't give me no illegal machine. Are you stupid? You say man them dumb. You say man them dunce, brother.
You take it.
Good people here with education, brother. You know your man say, I want thing in labor right, when labor right talk, everybody supporting. You know why we support what labor right say? Because we know say everything what we say is factual and we can pull up the information and show it. We can pull the information and show it, bro. There's nothing I come on this platform and say when we can't pull up the information and show it. Nothing. There's nothing when we not say on the internet when we not can't pull up the information and show it. There's nothing we do John them say when they can't pull up the information and show it. And that's the problem with we versus them. So you know the man say, why the man send the engineer the truth? Him never want the engineer find it. You see? The man said, him the thing say that. Them not care about truth. You see? So big up, you know. Look more about Squitty. You.
Yeah, man, right here, right
Look
here.
more. We
Yeah,
look
man,
about Squitty.
look more.
Yeah. Yo,
Whenever you hear Chopper media say truth press to the ground will always rise. You can't beat truth or you can't beat facts. And facts are what PNP don't have. See? So therefore they can't beat we. And because of that, you know, they take a position with them take. But Jamaica is in safe hands and we're gonna persevere. For too long, people of Jamaica suffer. And anybody who continue to support the People's National Criminal Organization, them are the one that is brainwashed, not us. And them refuse to open their eye and see. You know? And we now continue to suffer because of them and their ideology. Because me here caution I use several words and I bet to win the money. Don't ask me one of them word them mean. You can't tell them unless you go in a Google. See? So we don't have to worry labor rights.